Hey there, EGGGRAM fans! Today, we're diving into the latest crypto updates from around the globe. From regulatory moves to big market shifts, we've got it all covered. Let's crack these stories open. First stop, South Korea. The country's Financial Services Commission chairman, Kim Byung-hwan, has rejected the idea of creating a Bitcoin reserve. While other nations are exploring this path, South Korea seems to be taking a more cautious approach. Over in the US, SEC Chair Gary Gensler's departure has sparked speculation about who will take his place. Analysts are weighing the chances of different candidates and how their leadership might shape crypto regulations. This could be a turning point for the industry. Meanwhile, Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, has issued a stark warning. He believes Bitcoin will soon become unaffordable for the average person due to its rising value. Time to stack those sats, folks. In brighter news, November saw only $71 million lost to hacks and fraud in the crypto space, one of the lowest numbers in recent months. While this is still a concern, it's a sign that the industry is stepping up its security game. That's it for today's Crypto Roundup. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, EGGGRAM isn't just a game. It's your gateway to the world of crypto. See you next time.